Let's learn Christmas makeup tips. To get beautifully lined eyes, use a fine tip eyeliner pen to follow the tutorial in the video. Remove 2 sections from the eyeliner line near the outer corner of the eye. Use the pen to draw a tiny snowman with detailed lines. Apply red eyeshadow, attach false lashes, finish with mascara. Draw the eyeliner line as shown. Remove a section from the outer corner of the line again. Use white and a finer tip pen to draw a Santa Claus figure with a white beard and the iconic red hat. Be precise in your drawing. Apply red eyeshadow in a matching tone, attach false lashes, and finish with mascara for beautiful eyes. Use eyeliner as shown. Remove 2 sections near the outer corners. Draw a Christmas tree, as in the video. Follow this with green eyeshadow, attach false lashes, and carefully apply mascara to make your eyes look even more captivating. Use a fine tip pen to draw the eyeliner as instructed. Draw 2 sections at the outer corner of the eye. Use the pen and colors to draw a tiny wolf face. Draw it adorably, with a green face and the signature red hat. Apply green eyeshadow, add a bit of shimmer to the inner corner of the eye. Attach false lashes in last step. Use red to draw the eyeliner. Follow the guide to draw the eyeliner line. After drawing the 2 lines, add a small bow resembling a gift bow. Use a fine tip black pen to add depth to the bow, making it look lively. Apply red eyeshadow and add a touch of gold shimmer to the inner corner of the eye. Attach false lashes and finish. You can create fun Christmas designs: gingerbread boy, Christmas trees, gift boxes, snowmen, string lights, snow wolves. Draw eyeliner and a snowflake in white as shown. Add crystals to the snowflake. Apply gray-blue eyeshadow. Finally attach false lashes. Finish with mascara. Draw a line resembling a string around eye. Bold it and apply eyeshadow in green, pink, red, and orange for a Christmas lights effect. Add a touch of shimmer to the inner corner. Attach false lashes, complete with mascara. Now you can line your eyes with a red eyeliner and draw a glittering heart at the outer corner of your eye as instructed. After drawing, you should remove the heart sticker and then use a brush to add brown eyeshadow. Next step, you can carefully shape a cute reindeer as shown. Once finished this step, you can add a bit of sparkle to the eyeliner and a few white snowflake effects around the eyes. In the last step, you can apply mascara to complete the festive look. These tips are useful for girls. You can use a fine tip pen to draw a bold eyeliner line. You can erase a small section near the outer corner, then you use white to draw a cute snowman. You should be meticulous with the details. Then you can apply red eyeshadow, add a bit of shimmer to the inner corner. Next, you can attach false lashes and finish with mascara. Now, you are ready to shine.